Livy, bring that to mommy. Livy. Olivia. Bring that to mommy. Rain took it down.
Oh, yes. No, leave her alone. Here.
No, don't give that to him. No, Nija. I see you. Okay, you're done. I already did it. Let her go.
Yeah?
Pick up that plastic bag and put it in the trash.
Look. I got it.
What a madam is it? Livy. What is it? Livy, where you going? Boom. Livy, you riding the motorcycle? Livy, say, Mom! Nija, get off of him like that. You're going to hurt him, Nija. Stop. Livy, say, Mom!
Ow! He bited my mouth!
Well, that's what happens when you play rough.
I still can talk, Wayne. You think so?
Don't kick him. Nija, that's not nice. If you don't want to play with him, just leave him be. You ready to get down, Missy? Come on. Get back up. Say, Mom!
Oh, you should get off, huh? Ow! Ow! You're not bite me.
Falling off, Missy.
Don't fall off.
Uh-oh. Come on, your puppy take you for a ride. Say, Mom! What's the matter? Don't you trust his driving?